Hello there, everyone. Mobile first is the new norm. Explore why responsive design is vital in today's fast-paced world, catering to the mobile-savvy audience. In today's mobile-first world, it is crucial for businesses to have responsive websites. Responsive design means that a website will adjust to any screen size, from a desktop computer to a smartphone. With mobile usage increasing every year, having a responsive website is the only way to ensure that users will have a positive experience with your brand. Responsive design is important for many reasons. Firstly, it is crucial for search engine optimization, SEO. Google has stated that responsive websites will rank higher than those that are not responsive. Secondly, responsive design ensures that users will have a positive experience when visiting your website, regardless of the device they are using. In turn, this will increase engagement and help drive more conversions. Lastly, responsive websites are most cost-effective in the long run. Instead of having to create multiple versions of your website, a responsive website will be compatible with any device. This saves time, money, and resources. In conclusion, having a responsive website is essential in today's mobile-first world. It will improve SEO, increase user engagement, and save resources in the long run. It is a simple but effective way to ensure that your website is accessible to as many users as possible. Responsive design is no longer optional, but a must-have. Thank you for listening. Until next time, Rachel to the rescue.